Welcome back, and today in this Leadership Insight series, we're looking at managing emotions effectively. Self-regulation is another key aspect of emotional intelligence, and it refers to the ability to manage and control your emotions, especially in stressful situations. For leaders, this feels essential in maintaining a calm, composed demeanor, which can significantly influence the team's morale and performance. Leaders who practice self-regulation are less likely to make hasty decisions or react impulsively. Instead, they can pause, reflect, and choose the most appropriate response. This measured approach helps in managing conflicts, navigating crises, and sustaining a positive work environment. Self-regulation also involves adaptability and resilience. Leaders who can adapt to changing circumstances without losing their composure are better equipped to lead through times of uncertainty. Resilient leaders can face through setbacks and inspire their team to do the same, fostering a culture of perseverance and optimism. Furthermore, self-regulation promotes fairness and consistency. Leaders who can regulate their emotions are more likely to treat their team members equitably, ensuring that decisions and feedback are based on objective criteria rather than emotional reactions. Overall, self-regulation helps maintain their credibility by building trust and creates a stable and productive work environment. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.